Welcome back guys with a brand new video with electrical and electronics project, and in this video we will using a moisture control sensor using the Arduino and displaying its output on the LCD. That's how much moisture it's showing on. Now if we start the simulations, then we will go towards how I design this circuit. Okay, if we go towards the simulations, you can see here on the LCD that the moisture is 0% now, and I also use a refresher or a timer in the code that after few seconds it will refresh the circuits and check whether the moisture is increases or not. If you will see here, click here, will see that by increasing gradually the moisture is increasing on the LCD screen. In the similar cases, when I make the water droplets to 100%, it's showing the moisture 100% on the LCD screens. Now if we talk about the schematic diagrams, that's how I have draw the diagram of this circuitry. You will see here that for the LCD, you can see we have connected the here you can see digital 7 pin with the 7, 6 with the 6, 5 with the 5, 4 with the 4, and this is the LED pin. Okay, directly that is connected with the ground, and this here we have used the resistance of 220 ohm, and here we have attached directly the VCC 5 volt and the ground, and this R5 is connected with the pin number 9. Okay, and this RW will be connected with the ground, and this enable pin will be connected with the pin number 8. So this is for the LCD. Now if we talk about the RGB LED I am using here, so here you can see I have take the pin numbers 10 and 11 to connect the RGB LED here, and to ground here to provide the grounds I am using here, and to control the output for the yellow I am using the pin number 3. So it's basically red, blue and yellow LED, RGB LED. Okay, and from here you can see that I take the voltages or 5 volts directly from the Arduino. Here you can see, and if you know that their breadboard is directly connected, so you will see here that I take these voltages from there and make this both common. Now if you will see towards the moisture sensor, then you have to connect the VCC with the pin AO, and the ground with the ground, and the A1 with the signal pin. Okay, and by this you can easily control the moisture controls. You can also make this VCC with the 3.3 volt also, and directly connect, and it works perfectly. So here you can see that what's how it works. This pressure meter is basically to control the brightness. You can see here that everything is now disappears on the LCD. Now again when I make this high, you can see here when a little bit here, you can see here it's controlling the brightness of the LCD. So basically if you want to use this, then fine. If you want the black lights on for all the times, then it's okay also. Now what about the code of this schematic? I will also attach the code in the description of this video. If you require, you can download the code from there and implement in any simulators um, in which you want to work, or you can directly apply the same circuitry on the hardware prototypings and upload the code. And if you feel any query, you can ping me a message on my WhatsApp number that is also available in the YouTube description video. You can also visit my profile and my fiber profiles for any assistance if you require regarding the electrical and electronics project and documentation. I hope you like my video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe buttons and share and hit the bell icon also. Thank you so much.